There you go, Luna.
Luna paint. Orange theme here with this piece.
Wow.
Yeah, get the right texture with your fingers. Let's get a close-up on that texture.
It's very 3D.
She's going to forego the brush, maybe, for this piece. Oh.
Combo method.
Guess it looks like you're right-handed, Luna, maybe. Oh, that's become kind of an multimedia installation of sorts.
Don't forget the